The latest release for Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform delivers an elegant, powerful business experience environment. With role-based functionality, easily access apps and services users need with one click. The new 3D Experience Marketplace offers an ecosystem of qualified industrial service providers for operations like 3D printing, and self-defined 3D dashboards streamline collaboration for both users and management across industries to create innovative consumer experiences. The new CATIA R2020x release delivers multiple enhancements for designers, engineers, systems engineers, and construction professionals. 3D Generative Innovator introduces 7 new sophisticated operators, allowing easier control of graph data. The user experience has been enhanced and optimized for mobile touch devices. Users on any mobile device can interact with the model and easily vary parameters using sliders. Users can now model more quickly using the immersive search functionality within the graphical scripting interface. For advanced users, 3D Generative Innovator now includes the powerful engineering knowledge language. Programmers can create highly efficient algorithms and integrate them, extending the capabilities of the role. The new Human Experience Designer role expands the use of virtual humans beyond specialist studies. Now, any 3D Experience user can access a variety of realistic virtual humans to better create, engineer, simulate, and validate their products, environments, and experiences. This highly realistic environment allows designers to understand and optimize the consumer experience of a product by animating the physical interaction of a human with their product, and to better explore that experience as a result. 3D virtual reality using CATIA Natural Sketch now allows designs to be explored in a more natural way, with refinements to the user interface to ensure effective interactivity with the VR controller. Discovery of the application is simplified and follows a gradual sequence of actions for a more consistent and efficient workflow. CATIA R2020x introduces the multidisciplines automated drafter role. This extends CATIA drafting with functions and content for the rule-based automatic generation of specialized drawings for heavy industries, such as marine and offshore, energy and materials, and construction. Rigid Body Dynamics features enhanced performance and accuracy, including contact management with intermittent contact and the inclusion of friction properties. Simulation is improved with the ability of more excitations and measures, allowing users to simulate more scenarios. For example, you can define a law and use it to apply a controlled variable force. In addition, human mannequins can be added to the design context to allow study of human interaction with the mechanism. With integration between GDE and Simulia, analysts can use a Simulia role to refine or add specialized properties to a part or assembly. Now, for a given family of parts, a stress analysis expert can set up a template. The designer can then apply that template to a new part design, ensuring rapid and accurate setup. Virtual contacts can now be created without the need to model the surrounding parts. Centrifugal forces can be incorporated in the optimization process. With Milling Assistant, the ability to define symmetries reduces setup time. R2020x introduces System Synthesis Analyst, which addresses all users in a program who can now review and analyze traceability. This enables end-to-end traceability and collaboration on systems models. Both roles connect seamlessly to the new CATIA Magic portfolio, coming from the acquisition of No Magic in June 2018. Connection is through Magic Collaboration Studio, which enables collaboration on live data. R2020x delivers new advanced capabilities for steel structures, linear infrastructure design, facade design, and IFC interoperability. For steel structures design, new highly productive detailing features enable the rapid creation of plates, stiffeners, coping, and hole patterns to structural members in order to create steel connections. These steel detailing members are grouped into connections and rapidly replicated around the building as power copies. Road and rail surface design benefits from an enhanced template-based approach, which provides the ability to design a section-driven road or railway surface while taking into account superelevation, transition links between sections, and subgrade layers. The layers of materials composing the road or railway are defined within each section, and as a result of this process, the subgrade and earthworks computations can be completed within a single command. In R2020x, massive point cloud files containing millions of points can be imported individually or in batch mode. Once imported, these large point clouds can be visualized, analyzed, refined, and edited. CATIA automatically recognizes 3D primitives in the point clouds, and the parameters of these primitives can be edited and controlled. Available on-premise and in public or private cloud, Dassault Systèmes 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a business experience platform that enables our clients to create delightful experiences from design to point of sale for their ultimate customers or consumers. For more information, please explore our website or contact sales for a personal demo.